Today, I will use our Ceylon Black Tea to create a winter oat milk tea. Put Ceylon Black Tea into pot, which carries a subtle floral fragrance and a rich tea flavor. Perfect for creating various lemon tea and thick milk tea drinks. Combining 250 milliliters of black tea with 100 milliliters of oat milk, 30 g cream and 30 g fructose. Heating it to around 60 degrees Celsius. Poured the tea into a cup, filled it 80% full. Removed bubbles. Topped it with a layer of cream, covering the rim of the cup. Add a matcha biscuit on the side. And topped it with crispy coconut shavings. A perfect winter drink.